Jon Renau recently launched 2 new shortish bobs made with regular synthetic fibers. We have Ava, which has a hand-tied cap, and we have Shelby, which has some wefting in the back. So I thought these would be a good comparison video wig review. Yeah, comparison video wig review. So let's learn about Ava and Shelby. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here today on behalf of Chiquel to bring you this video, and I'm really thrilled to be able to show you these 2 new styles from Jon Renau in regular synthetic. I have gotten some requests to show some more regular synthetic. It seems to me the companies are coming out with a lot of heat-friendly synthetic. I have been told they are the most popular fiber, and I think that's why it's so much more prevalent, it seems. And so to be able to show you some regular synthetic is an honor, and I'm really grateful. And I will briefly touch on the colors in this video, but I am not going to focus on color like I usually do. I think I will film a separate color spotlight of these colors so that this video isn't super long, because not everybody is here for this exact color. Maybe you're here just because you want to learn about the style. So if you are here because you want to learn about the color, you'll see the color in this video, but I will do a separate video and I'll go more in depth and I will show it outside. I won't be doing that in this video, so do keep that in mind. That'll be a shorter, quick video. All right, let's first learn about Chiquel. They are an online retailer that has some in-person wig shops in Canada, in the US. Their online stores are in the US, Canada, and the UK. They do live sales every single week, generally on Tuesdays, with huge discounts and giveaways. And they also have an open box clearance section. I will link both of these wigs in the description below. I will put a coupon code down there as well that will save you on all your purchases. So check them out because they're great. Let's take a look at Ava. So I have Ava on my head in the color 6/33, which is Raspberry Twist. This one is hand-tied. Let's look at her. I want you to notice a difference between these is we've got some layering right here. Can you see a little bit of that layering? That is a bit of a difference between them. So this one has a lace front, a mono top, and again, I said she is hand tied. So there is that lace front. And on this color, you can see the knotting. Pretty good, actually. You can see it pretty well. If you are someone who wears dark colors, the knotting is not going to be as obvious on a lighter color. You can put makeup on dark knots. One of the issues with regular synthetic and heat-friendly synthetic is the knots can't be bleached. So the darker the color, the more prevalent the knots might be. You can remedy that with some makeup. I have a video showing how to do that. You can also pluck the part line a little bit. I do think this one feels just a little bit densely knotted straight across. I'll be honest, it's not the best lace front I've ever seen, but it also isn't the worst. And Jon Renau is such a good brand that I'd like to see them get a little better at their knotting on the darker colors, but it can absolutely be remedied. That video will be linked in the description. We have extended lace front, full mono top. All of this is hand-tied, all of this is hand-tied, all of this is hand-tied. So this is a fully hand-tied cap. There is no wefting on this cap. We do have Velcro adjusters and an extended nape. Versus Shelby, we'll just start right away with Shelby's inside the cap so you can see the comparison. Shelby also has an extended lace front. She also has a full mono top. But the back is open, wefted. The nape is not extended. She also has Velcro adjusters. So the cap just doesn't have quite as many cap features, and you can kind of see that in the price point. I somehow lost my oh, there she is. There is a bit of a price difference. Shelby is a little bit cheaper than Ava because hand-tied features are so much more labor intensive. A human being has to hand tie all those fibers in, and that is very much more labor intensive. So Shelby here, let me just comb. Sometimes you can get that part, that zigzag part out by just combing forward and then combing back. And sometimes the fibers will just fall into place. I love it when that happens. It's not happening as easily with this one. Sometimes a little bit of water can help that as well. But this one is much more of kind of a traditional bob silhouette. But again, you can change this part and you can part it anywhere you want. We do have a little bit of layering right there. They're super similar. I would also say that there is a little bit more layering at the nape on Ava. Just subtle. Subtle. This one gives more rounded bob feel, whereas Ava is just a little bit more layering that doesn't make her quite as rounded looking. And here is Shelby's lace front. I actually generally trim the lace on Jon Renau. Sometimes it's visible on my skin tone. I'm not sure if you're seeing that there. If the lace is visible on your skin tone, you can remedy that by trimming it back. I like to use a pinking shears. They have a scalloped edge, so it creates a little bit of a wavy line as opposed to a straight line. That really makes a huge difference and makes lace that's visible generally invisible. It works like a charm. I have a video which I will link below in case you need to see me do it in action, but that is what I would recommend doing if you struggle. Now I would say both of these are light density pieces with, well, for sure Ava has no Permatease because she's hand tied. Shelby has a little bit of Permatease back here, up here. Not a lot, not the super pillowy kind. I am touching down to cap all on the sides. Obviously the top is monofilament, so there's no Permatease there. So really it's just kind of in the crown and down just slightly, which I think also contributes to that sort of rounded look that we see here on Shelby, which we don't see on Ava. So the differences are slight. I'm not sure that they are super, super meaningful for the most part, but I would say for some people, if you're looking for, first of all, if you're looking for a hand-tied cap, then you've got Ava here, which checks that box 100%. But if you're looking for a wig that's more rounded, has a little bit more fullness, then Shelby could be a good one if you like the length of this one, because Ava doesn't quite have that fullness or that roundness, and I think some of these layers and just how they've styled this one sort of feathers forward a little bit contributes to that. As for, they're both light density. Shelby here on my head weighs a little bit more at 3.6 ounces, whereas Ava weighs 3 ounces, and I think that's largely due to the cap. Hand-tied caps are very, very lightweight. Wefted caps add just a little bit of weight with that wefting, so I don't think this one has more hair. I think it's really just the cap construction that makes Shelby here lighter weight than Ava. All right, I threw Ava on real quick so you can see her again now that you've just seen Shelby. And you can see it's not as rounded, these layers and this little flip right here, just a little bit of a different profile. Lace fronts the same, monofilament the same. You know, obviously this one has a hand-tied cap, so just ask yourself, do I really want a hand-tied cap, or would I rather have the more rounded look with a little bit more fullness in the crown, which is what you'll get on Miss Shelby here. As for, by the way, I did take pictures, and I will put side-by-side pictures up at the end so that you can look at them right side by side. And I did make sure to take my darker background because I had a feeling this one blended in a bit with the white so that you can really see it. So if you really want to see that side by side, I will put those up at the very end of this video. Let's talk about fit. So Jon Renau generally runs true to average, and I would say that the cap on Shelby does run fairly true to average, but this cap fits me smaller than the hand-tied cap. I have found that these hand-tied caps, I get a lot of room up here. You can see I have a ton of extra room up here in the crown. You can be a ton bigger than I am and still fit into the crown of this one. All my measurements are in the description box below, and she is pretty stretchy. I have Holly, which I think probably has the same cap as Ava here, and I love Holly. I wear Holly just fine. Even though the cap's a little big on me, I wear a wig grip. It's all good. And so I would just say these are running pretty true to average, but if you have larger head measurements and you find the major name brands are sometimes tight on you, the hand-tied cap here from John Renau is fitting me larger than the wefted cap that Shelby has. All right, that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. Check out the pictures and stay tuned for the color spotlights. See you guys soon. Don't forget about Chiquel.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.